Air fryers make it easy to cook crispy, delicious food with less oil and less time than a conventional oven. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best air fryers of 2026, from compact models to family-sized units, and full countertop oven replacements. Links are in the description and updated regularly. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Nutrichef 5.8-quart air fryer is the budget entry point on this list. The cooking presets for shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, chicken, and defrost provide the specific guidance that air fryer newcomers need most. Rather than figuring out temperature and time from scratch for each ingredient, the Nutrichef provides dedicated preset programs for the most common foods. The transparent window enables real-time cooking monitoring without opening the basket and losing heat. The 360-degree hot air circulation technology distributes heat evenly throughout the 5.8-quart cavity. The adjustable temperature control up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and 60-minute timer handle a range of air frying scenarios. The LED touchscreen and non-stick dishwasher safe tray simplify operation and cleanup. Automatic shutoff and overheat protection cover safety. For first-time air fryer buyers who want preset cooking guidance, a viewing window, and an accessible price, the Nutrichef is the starting point. Number 7 is the Cuisinart TOA-70NS. The 8-function capability is the widest on this list. It's the only pick that includes a toast function with a shade selector, making it a genuine toaster oven that also air fries rather than an air fryer that also bakes. The 1,800-watt Air Advantage technology with top fan and heater assembly provides airflow optimization for fast, crispy results across all cooking modes. The capacity handles real cooking loads: 6 slices of toast, 3 pounds of chicken wings, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound roasted chicken, substantially larger than basket-style air fryers do. The temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit covers everything from gentle warming through high heat broiling. The 60-minute timer with auto shutoff handles unattended cooking safely. For buyers who want to replace multiple kitchen appliances, toaster, toaster oven, and air fryer with a single countertop unit, the Cuisinart TOA-70NS is the pick. At number 6, the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer. The rotisserie function with an included stainless steel rotisserie spit and retrieval tool is the capability that no other air fryer on this list provides. Whole rotisserie chickens, gyros, and kebabs that revolve through the hot air for even 360-degree cooking without any manual turning. The 3 included airflow racks enable cooking multiple layers simultaneously for high-volume meal prep. The 10-liter capacity is the largest on this list. Family-scale cooking and large-quantity meal prep are the applications this size addresses that standard 4 to 7-quart basket fryers can't match. The 17 preset options cover the broadest cooking program range on this list. The 98% less oil specification is the most aggressive oil reduction claim on this list. The interior light with a large viewing window allows progress monitoring without opening the door. For large families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants rotisserie capability alongside air frying in a single countertop appliance, the Chefman is the pick. Number 5 is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. The temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit is the widest on this list. The 95 degrees Fahrenheit minimum specifically enables gentle dehydrating and warming applications that most air fryers can't access at the low end. The 6 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, cover the full range of everyday cooking applications without the dedicated function gaps that simpler models have. The Even Crisp technology, with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying, delivers the consistent crispy results that Instant Pot's engineering team developed to compete with the leading air fryer brands. And the Instant Pot brand's reputation for reliability in the kitchen appliance space brings consumer confidence that newer brands can't match. For buyers who trust the Instant Pot brand and want a comprehensive air fryer with the widest temperature range on the list, the Vortex Plus earns its recommendation. Top 4 now, and the Ninja XL AF181 with Max Crisp technology opens the premium tier with the most powerful hot air delivery on this list. The Max Crisp technology is Ninja's highest heat air frying specification. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit sealing enables the kind of rapid surface browning that creates genuinely crispy exteriors rather than just warm-through cooking that lower temperature air fryers sometimes produce. The 6.5-quart basket is the largest basket capacity on this list, holding up to 5 pounds of fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings. 9 pounds of chicken wings simultaneously is a meaningful amount for game day and entertaining. The 6 cooking functions, Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, cover every typical air frying scenario. The compact footprint for a 6.5-quart basket is the space efficiency that Ninja's design team specifically engineered. For buyers who want the most powerful heat output and the largest basket capacity among Ninja models, with the full 6-function capability that defines Ninja's premium tier, the XL with Max Crisp is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the Ninja Crispi. The borosilicate glass containers are the fundamental differentiator, PFAS-free, PTFE-free, and free of all non-stick chemical coatings. For buyers who've been concerned about the health implications of non-stick coatings on cooking surfaces, the Crispi's glass containers eliminate that concern entirely. The glass isn't just a cooking vessel, it's also the storage and transport container. Cook in it, seal it with the snap lock lids, transport it, store it in the refrigerator, and reheat in the same container without any transfers or additional dishes. 4 cooking modes handle everyday meals, while the included containers fit everything from personal portions to a 4-pound chicken. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. For health-conscious buyers who want chemical-free cooking vessels, meal prep convenience in the same vessel from cooking through storage, and the most space-efficient system on the list, the Ninja Crispi is unlike anything else available. Number 2 is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. The 1,750 watts is the power specification that enables Air Crisp Technology's 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air to circulate rapidly and consistently. Hot air that heats quickly and maintains temperature under load produces genuinely better cooking results than lower wattage alternatives that struggle to maintain target temperature when cold food is loaded into the basket. The 4 functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, cover the core air fryer use cases without the complexity of 6 or 8 function models. For buyers who want to air fry and occasionally roast or dehydrate without navigating an extensive function menu, the Ninja Pro's 4-mode simplicity is an advantage. The 5-quart non-stick basket fits up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, appropriate for 2 to 4 servings per batch. For buyers who want Ninja reliability and 1,750-watt performance in the most practical everyday package, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is the pick. And the best air fryer of 2026 is the Cosori TurboBlaze. TurboBlaze technology uses a high-speed 3,600 revolutions per minute fan to circulate heat more evenly, delivering crisp, evenly browned food with consistent results. The 5-fan speed system paired with the 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range provides the most granular cooking control on this list. Standard air fryers offer high and low fan speed settings. 5 distinct fan speeds enable precision matching of air circulation to the specific food being cooked. Delicate items at gentle settings, frozen foods at maximum, and everything in between calibrated precisely. The 6-quart square basket maximizes usable cooking area within the footprint compared to round baskets of equivalent volume. The customizable preheat function allows temperature-specific preheating or skip preheating for faster starts. The included cookbook with chef and registered dietitian recipes provides quality cooking guidance. Cosori TurboBlaze, number 1, the best air fryer of 2026. That's your ranked list of the 8 best air fryers of 2026. Links are in the description and updated regularly. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.